Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that you're actually in strong 5G coverage and that your device is using the correct band. This matters because some bands deliver far higher throughput. Once done, update firmware and carrier settings to fix radios and software bugs, and make sure unnecessary apps aren't hogging bandwidth. Next, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds and reconnect to force a fresh network attach. This often moves you to a better cell or higher throughput slice. You now optimize how the phone uses the radio and where it sits in the environment. Set 5G only or 5G preferred in network options to prioritize the faster radio, then run quick speed tests to compare. Make sure to place the device near a window or higher elevation to reduce building attenuation and keep it away from metal cases. If indoors and coverage is poor, use an external antenna or a carrier-approved booster to raise signal strength. You finish by tuning network behavior and knowing how to troubleshoot. Reduce background sync and enable Wi-Fi calling when 5G flaps, and apply co-S rules if you control the router to prioritize critical traffic. Test speeds at off-peak times to identify carrier congestion. If poor performance persists, reboot the phone, reinsert the SIM, and try another 5G device to isolate hardware versus network issues. If those steps fail, escalate to carrier support and report cell, time, and speed test logs so they can diagnose backhaul or configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.